Yeah, good morning, children. See, last class we completed rational numbers chapter 1. So, today I will start chapter 2 linear equation into one variable. See, about the simple equations we have already learned in class 7. So, what is your equation? An equation formed with constants and variables with fundamental operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, an equation is having two sides. One is LHS and another one is RHS. So, LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. So between these two sides, an equation is having an equality sign, means equal sign. So the exponent of the variable in a linear equation is not greater than 1. So let us take an example, children. So let us take the linear equation. Children, don't write. First you listen, all of you. So example is 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. Now see, children. So this is a linear equation. So an equation formed with constants and variables with the fundamental operation addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So between these two sides equality symbol will be there. So this side is called the LHS and this side is called the RHS. Then one more point, children, the exponent of the variable not greater than 1. Suppose 3x plus 2 is equal to 7. Is it linear equation? Yes. Now 3x square plus 5 is equal to 15. Is it linear equation, children? No, it's not a linear equation because the exponent of the variable, what is the exponent here? 2. So the exponent of the variable not greater than 1. So a linear equation, see, a linear equation may have some natural numbers and integers and whole numbers. Sometimes it is rational numbers also. Now open your classwork, children. Keep the heading chapter 2 linear equation in two variables. Keep the side heading introduction. Write the first point. See, introduction, first point. See, first point, a linear equation. A linear equation has constants and variables with fundamental operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So next point, an equation is having two sides, that is LHS and RHS. Next, third point, between these two sides an equality symbol. Between these two sides, a linear equation is having an equality sign. Now see, children, fourth one. Write the fourth point, children. Write the fourth point. So the exponent of the variable in a linear equation not greater than 1. See children, write the example. See. See example. So 2x plus 7 is equal to 14. Now see children. So this is a linear equation. Already we discussed earlier. Now see, it is having constants and variables with fundamental operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It is having equality sign. So this side is called the LHS and this side is called the RHS. Then exponent of the variable not greater than 1. So this is not a linear equation. What are the not a linear equations? Not a linear equations. Now see children, examples are 2x square plus 3 is greater than 5. Now see children, if you are observing here, the exponent is 2, equality symbol is not there, it's not a linear equation. Like 3y cube minus 5 is less than 7, not a linear equation. Why? Because the exponent is greater than 1 and this is less than symbol, so it's not a linear equation. Now see children, all of you open your textbooks, page number 23, exercise 2.1, copied on the first question. Now see children, in this class, we will be learning about, so variable on one side of the linear equation, solve the variable value. If the variable value is on both sides, and third one is reducing a linear equation into simpler form and application of the linear equations in our daily life situations. Now all of you open your classworks and textbooks, page number 2.1, copy down the first question children, solve the following equations. Now see, exercise 2.1, page number 23. Now see first question, x minus 2 is equal to 7. So x minus 2 is equal to 7. See children, so this is a variable constant and constant. See already transposing concept also you learned in class 7. So here constant will be there on your right hand side. Now transpose the constant. Here what is the constant? Minus 2. So transposing means the positive value becomes negative, the negative value becomes positive. So here minus 2 is a negative value, so it becomes positive. So x is equal to 7 plus 2, then x is equal to 5. Now see children, second one is homework for you, third one is also homework for you children. Now fourth one, copy down. See fourth one, 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Now see children, 3 by 7 is a constant value, 17 by 7 is also a constant value. So both are the rational numbers. So linear equations is applicable for rational numbers also. Now x is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Now the denominators are equal. We should subtract the numerators. It means 17 minus 3 by 7. So 14 by 7, which is equals to 2. Now see children, fifth one is homework for you. Now sixth question, copy down. Now sixth question, t by 5 is equal to 10. Now see children, here there is no denominator. Let us take 1 as a denominator. Now take the cross multiplication. So t into 1 is equal to 5 into 10. So t is equal to 5 tens are 50. Now see children, remaining 7, 8, 9, I will explain you in the next class. Homework I will send through WhatsApp.